Welcome back to 556 Media. I am out here in the shop as always, but this time for another good reason, and that is I am changing out this Shockwave Technologies blade pistol brace for an H&R slash PSA, H&R Harrington Richardson PSA pistol brace. So let's see how this goes. We're going to replace the Shockwave Technologies blade with the H&R slash PSA pistol brace, adjustable pistol brace. Let's get into it. Next, I have to take the upper off of the lower, and I think I can show that. Pretty easy.
A few minutes later.
All right, so this is a 10.5-inch barrel PSA manufactured upper, and I do have a USGI. It's either made by Colt or FN, I'm not sure. A2 carry handle rear sight. Good stuff. Buffer, or just take it out. Either way works.
What the hell?
Let's open up the new BCM mil-spec receiver extension buffer tube. All right, there it is. Let's do a fit test before we install this. That's always a smart thing to do.
Oh, wait.
All right, fit check. This is a mil-spec pistol brace. This is a mil-spec receiver extension or buffer tube. Let's see if it fits. And I know it will because it's already, you can always tell because it's flat. Commercial grade ones have an angle at the back. So let's see. Yep, fits just fine. Let's get to work. Before I forget, Bravo Company sent out a sheet of stickers. There are 6 Bravo Company stickers on here. So you better believe there's going to be some going here, going on shop cabinets, and probably take some to the other property. So pretty cool. Thanks, Bravo Company. Good job. Let's go ahead and square away this castle nut. And before you ask, no, I'm not going to stake it because this is an AR pistol build that I've changed out literally 3 times already. So it is not going to be staked. Click. Verify alignment. What do you think?
What'd you do?
Let's do a function check of the brace. Yep. Fully adjustable pistol brace. And let's do a function check of the rifle. Safety works. Good fire. Fires. Let's do it again. Fires. Good. Safety does not engage when it's not charged. Charged. Safety engaged. Good. Locks. Everything is golden. So there you have it. This is my Frankenstein AR pistol. So Anderson arms lower, PSA upper. That's either Colt or FN. It's USGI surplus, A2 carry handle, and Bravo Company receiver tube, or receiver extension slash buffer tube, in the H&R slash Palmetto State Armory pistol brace. And that's it. And that is how you make bacon. Unlike me. Thanks for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Catch you on the next one.